Hey, welcome back to Susan's Travel Hacks. Today we're talking about a surprising, handy cruise gadget, walkie-talkies. Yes, you heard me, walkie-talkies in 2024. Stay tuned to find out why I take walkie-talkies on my cruise. Be sure to watch to the end for an important word of caution. First up, they're a great way to keep in touch on board without buying into the pricey internet packages. Just push a button and you're connected. Ideal for families, friends, or groups. Another reason is because of the massive cruise ships. Internet is expensive, and yes, they work. Cruise walls may be steel, but a walkie-talkie with a decent 2 to 3 mile range usually covers the whole ship. You don't need an expensive, heavy-duty model. Something small with about a 2 to 3 mile range works just fine. No waiting for text messages, no missed notifications, and no need to stress over Wi-Fi. Stay in touch with your kids and groups, and don't worry about them losing their cell phones. Have some access ship to shore. I was able to use the walkie-talkie to call my husband, who was still on the ship, to come help me with my scooter while on shore. Give these old school gadgets a try on your next cruise. And here's that word of caution. Check with your cruise line to make sure walkie-talkies are allowed. Cruise lines have different rules. Mine was allowed on Celebrity. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or tips of your own, drop them in the comments below. And don't miss our next video for more tips and tricks to make your next vacation stress-free and fun. Ready to plan your next vacation? Give Infinity Fun and Travel a call at 855-229-5723 to get started. It's never too early to start planning your next adventure.